children, this is exercise 2.5, decimals and fractions. Before we start with the exercise, decimals and fractions, you can see these are the questions that are coming from decimals. To come with the decimal part, now the question asked is, which is greater, 0.5 or 0.05? So simply, I'll take an example now. If I take an example, 24, 35, and I ask you the question, which is bigger among this? Yes, tell me which is greater, 24 or 35? Yes, exactly it is 35 is greater than 24. One more question I will take. 10 and 6. Tell me which is bigger among this? 10 or 6? 10 is greater than 6. So these are the whole numbers. And coming to this, these are the decimals which are having points. So in decimals, if I ask you which is greater, you have to think, right? So for that, here itself, I will take the first question, 0.5 and 0.05. For this, first what you have to take is from the left decimal point. That is, before the point you have to take the number. So before the point, what is the number here? It is 0. And here what is the number before the point? It is 0. Both are same. You can't compare. Now, after the point, what is the first digit? It is 5. Here, after the point, what is the digit? It is 0. So, now you compare 5 and 0. Which is greater? Obviously, it is 5 greater than 0. So, now you can decide which is greater. You have got the answer. 0.5 or 0.05. Yes, the answer is 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Hope you have understood. So let's move on with the next question. Pause it. 0.7 or 0.5. So now again, if I tell you which is bigger, 7 or 5, you know it is 7 greater than 5. But the question here is 0.7 or 0.5. So what do you do now? You take 0.7 as well as 0.5. So now the same thing. See the left hand digits. It is 0 and here also it is 0. 0, 0 you can't compare. Strong time. Then after point, what is the number? It is 7 here and here it is 5. You take those numbers 7 and 5. You can see that 7 is greater than 5. So ultimately the result is 0.7 is greater than 0.5. The third question, 7 or 0.7. So here the question arises. This is an whole number, 0.7 is a decimal number. So how will you compare now? Pause kariye. 7 or 0.7. You take the number now, 7 as well as 0.7. So children, make sure that when there is a whole number and when there is no point, you must know that there is a point and after point there is nothing. If nothing is there means it is compared as 0. 7.0 is nothing but it is 7. So both are same. 7 is also same, 7.0 is also same. If I tell you, give me 10 rupees means, you say it is 10 rupees, right? You can also denote it as 0. This is also 10. Okay. So now we'll come with this. And now, so see the leftmost decimal digits in both the numbers. Here it is 7 and here it is 0. So see the numbers. Here there is 7 and in this case it is 0. Compare the numbers. Yes, you can see that 7 is greater than 0. And now you are comparing with the right digits. See, after point, no need to worry because you have already got the leftmost digit, that is 7 greater than 0. So answer is 7 is greater than 0.7. The second question is express as rupees using decimals. To solve this, the question will be asked in decimals. Okay, question will be asked that you have to convert into rupees. Okay, you have heard in olden days your father or mother, your sisters, they used to tell, we used to buy chocolates in paisas. But if you go with 10 paisa to shop now, and if you ask the shopkeeper, give me a chocolate for 10 paisa, means you will not get a chocolate, right? So today the transactions is only on rupees. So we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Okay. So the same I will be writing here. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. Then what is 1 paisa? 1 paisa is equal to 1 divided by 100. So the same way they have asked, convert 7 paisa into rupees. So how to convert it? So if 1 paisa is equal to 1 by 100, then what is 7 paisa? So you can write it like 7 is equal to 7 divided by 100. Okay, 7 paisa is equal to 7 divided by 100. Okay, how to solve this? So one I'll be dividing and showing you. 7 and 100. Can you divide 100? 7 divided by 100? No. What you have to do is you have to take a 0 and take a 1. Okay. So with the help of this point, I'll add a 0 now. Can you divide it now? No, still not possible. So I'll add 1 0 and take a 0 here. So 100, 7 is 700. Okay, so what is the answer now? 7 divided by 100 is equal to 0.07. You can also directly write this. See, 7 divided by 100 is there. 2 zeros are there. So you can write 2 zeros and 7. And after 2 zeros, you can add a point. So 0.07. 5 rupees 7 paisa is given. You have to convert the whole factor into rupees now. Okay. So 7 rupees is there, that you can keep it as it is. 7 paisa needed to be converted into rupees now. So take it as it is. I'll write a symbol of rupees. 7 rupees plus 7 paisa. You know that 1 paisa is equal to 1 divided by 100 rupees. So 7 paisa you can write as 7 divided by 100. What is the next step? 7 rupees. So this is also rupees now because it is converted into rupees now. Paisa is converted into rupees here. 7 rupees plus 7 divided by 100. How we can write this? You know it. See, I'll write this 0, 2 zeros and I'll write the number. After 2 zeros, you have 2 numbers you have to put point, that is 7 0. 1, 2 and 4. So 7 rupees plus 0.07 rupees. So the answer is yes, 7 plus 0.07 is 7.07 rupees. This is the answer. We have to homework this video. 77 rupees 77 paisa. Okay. So solution. 77 rupees, you keep it as it is, plus 77 paise. So this paise you have to convert it into rupees now. You know that 1 paisa is equal to 1 divided by 100 rupees. So this 77 paisa can be written as 77 divided by 100 rupees. Okay. 77 can be kept as it is. What is 77 divided by 100? 77 divided by 100. Write as write the number. See, it is divided by 100. So after 2 decimal points, you have to put the number. Okay, 2 zeros are there. So here after 2 numbers, you have to put the point. So count 1 and 2, and after these 2 numbers, you put the point. That is 0.77 rupees. And now 77 rupees plus 0.77 rupees. It is 77.77 rupees is the answer.